square pyramid. Okay? Actually, I'm going to change this. I'm going to put rectangular pyramid because that's a little more fitting. This is a rectangular pyramid. So we've got a right rectangular pyramid. It has a rectangular base measuring 16 centimeters by 20 centimeters. The slant height of the triangular face with the shorter base is 18 centimeters, while the slant height, there's that key word again, of the triangular face with the longer base is 17 centimeters. Oh my goodness, that sounds really confusing. What should I do?
Picture.
Draw a picture. Good. So let's start with the easiest part. A rectangular base. It's pretty simple. Draw a rectangle. And I'm going to draw a 3D image, so I'm going to draw it a little bit sideways because I'm going to draw pyramid parts on top of it. This should be 16 centimeters. This should be 20 centimeters. So this is the shorter base. The slant height there is 18. So that means that the distance along the face of that triangle, yikes. Come on, stop switching. This is 18 centimeters, and it creates a right angle there. The slant height of the longer base is 17 centimeters. So that means going from here to the top, that's 17 centimeters. So here's the formula for surface area of a rectangular prism. You have length times width plus B1S1 plus B2S2. You see why? Actually, maybe you can make this even better. You could say B1, B2. Right, because the length is B1, the width is B2. Or sometimes it's written like this. Length times width plus length S1 plus width S2. Maybe that's more familiar. Does that work better?
Yeah.
Okay. Take your pick. The point is...
B1S1 and B2S2, if that makes it easier for
Yeah.
us.
The point is, this is the rectangle. This other one is two triangles. And this other one is also the other two triangles that are facing opposite each other.
What's the W stand for?
Width. You follow that? Do you understand the construction? Because you could also put in here, and I think your book does this, they go half and then they go times 2. But that's kind of unnecessary because halving and then doubling brings you back to where you started. Follow?
Yeah.
Okay. So let's actually find the surface area of this thing. Okay? So, surface area is length times width. So that's 16 by 20. Plus, what comes next? Length S1. I'll give you a hint. Watch this. Just take this number and multiply it by its slant height. That'll take care of this triangle and the one on the opposite side.
It would be 18.
It would be 16 times 18. Does everybody understand what I did there? And you could half it and then double it, but you're not changing anything. You just keep it as that and it'll find the area of both. Still don't believe me?
I believe you probably did it.
If you want, here, just do it. Fine. You've got two triangles with a base of 16 and a height of 18. So do 16 over 18 divided by 2 and then times 2. You could do that. This portion finds the area of one triangle. Then you double it to get both, right? So the 16 by 18 over 2 is just the front. You double it to get both the front and the back because they're the same. Got that? But these 2's are unnecessary because doubling and halving doesn't do anything. Follow? So I'm just going to leave that out because it's just too much to do. Okay, what's the other two numbers I multiply?
20 and 17.
20 and 17. Good. Okay, so all of that gives me how much? Okay, good. Me too. 948 centimeters squared.